Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always watching. Today, we're going to talk about a quick way for you to access all of your apps from just one click. So this strip on the bottom of your iPad is called the iPad dock, and it shows you the most recent apps you've used or your favorite apps. And as you can see, to the left, these are the apps that I've accessed most recently. And then if you click here, this is how you'll be able to see all of your apps. So just one click, and you can choose whichever app you want to go to. It's that easy. Again, this is the iPad dock. And if you want to see all of your apps, you just click this button and it shows you every app, and you can easily click one of these to take you to wherever you want to go. The other way to see all of your apps is to slide all the way over until you can't slide anymore. And that same screen will pop up. But again, the iPad dock is there for your convenience, and it keeps you from having to slide all the way over to the end of the pages. So again, the iPad dock is here for your convenience. Click here and access any app that you have downloaded on your iPad. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.